Hello, my name's Joy Reynolds, and I just want to share with you how meditation changed my life. It was 1997 and I was married with 2 beautiful daughters, living a life I thought was the life I wanted. I lived in a nice house, enjoying family holidays, thought I had the ideal life. Early 1998, my life was turned upside down when my marriage ended. I was devastated and felt a complete failure. Over the next 18 months, I was living each day in pain, which showed up as anger, frustration, lack of self-love, fear, blame. I was in a dark place. I was in deep emotional pain. I felt that I couldn't see a way forward. I felt so alone. During this time, I entered into another relationship which failed, in part because I didn't know who my authentic self was. My daughter was experiencing bullying at school, and that resulted in her experiencing anxiety and depression. In my search for ways to help my daughter, I was introduced to meditation by a colleague. I decided to check this thing out called meditation, which I had no knowledge of. I attended a meditation center and I instantly felt the peace as I walked into the front door. It was like a wave of peace and love surrounded me as I walked in. I entered the meditation room, sat down and closed my eyes and just allowed the beautiful feelings of love and peace to wash over me. This was what I had been looking for my whole life, this feeling of inner peace and love. This was a defining moment in my life. It was the beginning of my healing journey. I knew this powerful practice would change my life, and it completely changed my life. I fully immersed myself in the teachings and practice of meditation. I meditated daily and attended the meditation center regularly, completed courses in meditation and positive thinking. I have attended meditation retreats all over the world. I studied meditation in India. And I went on to introduce meditation into workplaces and now share teachings and meditations with others. Meditation transformed my life in so many ways, including a genuine and loving connection with myself. It improved my health. I've manifested my ideal partner and so much more. My daily meditation practice is an act of self-love. Here I am over 20 years later and sit in acceptance and gratitude for all that I have experienced in my life. All my experiences led me to who I am today. Your life can change too when you choose to be grateful for and accept where you are right now and decide to implement a daily meditation practice into your life. Thank you for listening to How Meditation Changed My Life. And if you are ready to begin or continue your meditation journey, please subscribe to this channel and experience the guided meditations here. Wishing you a beautiful day.